Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. For office workers, there is no time to cook complicated dishes. At this time, cooking a bowl of noodles becomes the simplest meal, saving time, effort, and being nutritious and delicious. Today's recipe is noodle soup with pan-fried egg. Let's get started. Pour 1 tablespoon of oil into the wok. Add an egg, pan fry until both sides are golden brown. Then add the water that has just been boiled. Then add the noodles. The amount of noodles depends on your needs. Wait for the noodles to cook. At this time, make the noodle soup. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, some scallion chopped, then pour in hot water. You can add any seasonings you like, vinegar, chili, etc. At this time, the noodles are almost cooked. Add 2 slices of lettuce. Bring the water to a boil again. And turn off the heat. The green vegetables can be any green vegetables you have on hand. The purpose of adding green vegetables is to balance nutrition. A bowl of delicious noodle soup with pan-fried egg is ready. Isn't it very simple? If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.